everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Congratulations messages are pouring in for Thina Zungu and his wife Zama. They recently got married. I know some people are asking bebe ngashadile yini all along. The answer is bebe shadile but babe ngawenzanga umabo, so they decided to do the traditional wedding on Saturday. Thina and his wife have 3 children and they've been together for years guys. In one of Thina's posts in September he said 10 years later sesayibambile growing together, ngicabanga ngolobola kabusha ngiphinde ngikushade futhi wangiqoma ngingena moto ngingena Stacy. I love you mamtshali ngibongiseni bo. So yeah guys, bane Stacy labantu, if you know you know. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.